about yourself, please?
Thank you for your opportunity. My name is Asdi. I'm 19 years old and I'm from Madiun. My last education was a vocational high school. However, I have attended many trainings such as beauty class, public speaking, and English course, so that I have good ability in those skills. Besides that, I have participated in a casual fashion show competition in East Java and I got the winner. From this experience, I can understand a person's character and learn about self-confidence. And the last, now I'm still active in a modeling. That's all my introduction. Give me chance and I'll do my best. Thank you.
So why should we hire you?
Thank you for the question. Why you should hire me in this company because I will sum up requirements from this company and I feel there is match between what the company needs and what I have such as ideal body type, communication skills and English skills. Thank you.
What is your weakness?
Thank you for the question. My weakness is before I couldn't speak in English, but after I took English course for 6 months, now my English better than before. Thank you.
What is your strength?
Thank you for the question, sir. My strength is I can speak English well. Besides that, I have participated in a casual fashion show competition in East Java and I got the winner. From this experience, I can learn about self-confidence and I can understand a person's character. Thank you.
What is your hobby?
Thank you for the question. My hobby is makeup. By doing makeup, I can look attractive to the passenger. Thank you.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Thank you for the question. In the first 2 to 3 years, I have to be good employees and learn about management in this company. And in the 4 to 5 years, I hope that I have long career in this company. Thank you.
What is your motivation?
Thank you for the question. My motivation are I wanna impress my parents financial and I like to learn about different culture. And the last, I wanna be career woman. That can be happened if I am accepted in this company. Thank you.
What is your action if you are killed?
Thank you for the question. I believe there is candidate better than me. If I'm not accepted in this company, therefore I will try with more knowledge and new experience. Thank you.
How much salary do you want?
Thank you for the question, sir. Talking about salary, I believe this is a big company that can make their employees prosperous. So no matter the salary, I believe it will give prosperity to the employees. Thank you.
What is your talent?
Thank you for the question. My talent is singing. I love to sing Indonesia pop such as Anggun C. Sasmi, Mimpi, Kangen, Dewa 19, and others. Thank you.
That's it, please.
Thank you.
Okay, so why do you want to be a flight attendant?
Thank you for the question, sir. Why I want to be flight attendant because flight attendant is noble job, where the profession is not only safety but also maintaining safety to the passengers such as safety officer, first aider, company ambassador, teamwork, and security officer. Besides that, by becoming flight attendant, I have opportunity to travel and to get knowledge about different culture, national or international. Besides that, by becoming flight attendant, I will get enough income. Thank you.
So tell me, what are the rules of flight attendant?
Thank you for the question. The rule of a flight attendant that I know such as safety officer, first aider, passenger service, company ambassador, and security officer. Thank you.
Why do you want to work in our company?
Thank you for the question. Why I want to work in this company? Because the Lion Group is a big company in Indonesia, which has 800 aircraft that can reach small airport in Indonesia. It will great contribute to progress of Indonesian nation. Besides that, the Lion Group provides the dormitories and transportation to the employees. This shows that this company concerned about the welfare to the employees. And the last, the Lion Group has roots various regions of Indonesia so that I have opportunity to get knowledge about the culture of Indonesia. Thank you.
Do you have any experience in serving customers?
Thank you for the question. Yes, I have experience about it. I ever joined internship program in the four-star hotel so that I can serve people well. Thank you.
So how to manage passengers complaint?
Thank you for the question. The first thing I will do, listen, listen, and listen. The second, I will try to understand what the passenger feels. And the third, I will try to explain what the cause of happened. And the fourth, I will propose several options as the best solution. And the last, I will say, apologize for any inconvenience happened. Thank you.
So what do you know about safety?
Thank you for the question. In my opinion, safety is about maintaining passengers from dangerous things. In aviation, safety is important, which is the duty of a flight attendant, which is not only security but also personal safety. Thank you.
And what about service?
Thank you for the question. Service is one of flight attendant duty. Service is giving the best willingness to measure passenger satisfaction. Thank you.
So what are the advantages and disadvantages?
Thank you for the question. The advantage that I will have opportunity to travel and to get knowledge about different culture, national or international. And the disadvantage is I don't have time to meet with my family. But with the development of technology, nowadays I can solve it by having video call. Thank you.
So what are the three main skills of flight attendant?
Thank you for the question. In my opinion, three main skills of a flight attendant such as communication skills, make-up skills, and English skills. However, I have good ability in those skills because I've ever trained some trainings. Thank you.
How to satisfy your customer?
Thank you for the question. One of the ways to satisfy passenger is to look attractive. I have attended beauty training before so that I can make myself to look attractive, to satisfy the passenger. Thank you.
So do you have any questions?
Thank you for your opportunity. If I'm accepted in this company, is there career path in this company? Thank you.
Okay, finish.
Oh my God.